Module 7, Budgeting and Forecasting for Non-Financial Leaders. Overview. Module 7 explores budgeting and forecasting, essential tools for non-financial leaders to plan, control, and optimize financial resources. Leaders are often required to make strategic decisions regarding resource allocation, project execution, and operational efficiency, and understanding budgeting and forecasting equips them to make these decisions with financial foresight and accountability. This module introduces you to the concepts, methods, and applications of budgeting, emphasizing how budgets act as financial blueprints for organizations. Leaders will understand that a budget is more than a numerical plan. It is a strategic instrument that aligns resources with organizational objectives, promotes accountability, and facilitates performance monitoring. 1. Introduction to Budgeting and Forecasting. Definition and purpose of budgeting and forecasting. Difference between budgeting and forecasting. Importance of these tools for non-financial leaders. Linking budgets and forecasts to organizational strategy. 2. Types of budgets. Incremental budgeting. Adjusting previous budgets with incremental changes. Zero-based budgeting. Justifying all expenses from scratch. Flexible budgeting. Adjusting budgets based on activity levels. Rolling budgets. Continuously updating budgets for future periods. Advantages and limitations of each budgeting approach. 3. Forecasting methods. Historical trend analysis and extrapolation. Statistical and quantitative forecasting methods. Scenario-based forecasting for different operational conditions. Integrating forecasting with strategic and operational planning. 4. Budget preparation process. Setting objectives and priorities for budget allocation. Coordinating across departments and stakeholders. Estimating revenues, costs, and capital expenditures. Aligning budget with organizational goals and KPIs. 5. Budget monitoring and control. Comparing actual performance with budgeted figures. Identifying variances and analyzing root causes. Implementing corrective actions to align with budgets. Reporting and communicating financial performance to stakeholders. 6. Forecasting for decision-making. Using forecasts to plan for cash flow, staffing, and resource allocation, anticipating risks and opportunities through scenario planning, linking forecasts to performance measurement and strategic initiatives, evaluating forecast accuracy and refining forecasting techniques. 7. Integration of budgeting and strategic planning. Aligning budget priorities with organizational mission and objectives. Supporting investment, expansion, and cost optimization decisions. Using budgeting and forecasting for long-term financial sustainability, enhancing accountability and transparency through financial planning. 8. Practical exercises and case studies. Preparing a departmental or project budget based on provided data, conducting variance analysis and recommending corrective measures, developing forecasts under different scenarios and evaluating outcomes. Case studies illustrating effective budget planning and forecasting in organizations.